Are you struggling to run a PowerShell script from a bat file with the correct working directory? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many users face, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your scripts don't behave as expected, especially when you think you've done everything right. You're in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to create a bat script that starts a PowerShell script with the same name in the correct working directory. They provided a code snippet, but it just isn't working as intended. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what's the issue here? The user is trying to pass the working directory to the PowerShell script, but is running into problems. Understanding how the bat file interacts with PowerShell is key to resolving this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your scripting life a whole lot easier. To start, the user should modify the batch file to ensure it correctly sets the working directory. This can be done by using the start process command with the appropriate arguments. Next, the user needs to ensure that the PowerShell script is named the same as the batch file. This is crucial for the script to be found and executed properly. Now, let's add the ability to pass command line arguments from the batch file to the PowerShell script. The user can do this by including the arguments in the argument list. Finally, the user should test the batch file to ensure everything works as expected. They can do this by running the batch file and checking if the PowerShell script executes in the correct directory. Fun fact, did you know that PowerShell was originally designed to help system administrators automate tasks? Now, it's a powerful tool for all kinds of scripting. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests modifying the PowerShell script to change its working directory to its own location. You can do this by adding the command setLocation followed by the path of the script. Additionally, you can use the script's directory to access other files. For example, you can define a variable for the directory and read content from an adjacent file using getContent. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your scripts are in the same directory as your bat file. This way, you can avoid path issues and make your scripts run smoothly. And there you have it. With this revised script, you should be able to run your PowerShell script from a bat file without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.